Hey everyone, I wanted to come to you. We're having some issues with students not being able to do everything they needed to be doing in school's PLP because they were having a Google Chrome issue or a laptop issue or a MacBook or Chromebook or just anything in general. And we were able to troubleshoot and discover part of the problem, if not all of the problem, has to do with how you are logged into Chrome. So up here in this upper right corner, you're going to see an icon, an avatar. It may be the first letter of your first name. Mine is a picture, and I have two pictures. You're going to want to use the one on the very top beside the address bar. So click on that picture. You're then going to see you are person one, and then where it says person one, it's going to list your email address and how you're logged in as person one. We're discovering that if you are logged in with your personal email address, you're going to have some issues with school's PLP. So have two suggestions. One is to go to this little setting bar right here, click on the tool. And then if it's your personal email address, you can go and click on these three little dots and remove this person. Or if you don't want to remove the person, go to add a person. And I'm going to use my son's student email address because I don't have a student email address. All right, so you would put your student email address here in this bar where you're going to add a person, and then he likes basketball, so I'm going to click this basketball to be his avatar and click add. Okay, and from there you are logged into a screen that is your student email, and it's not trying to refer back to your personal email because school's PLP will not communicate with your personal email. It will only communicate with your student email. From here, you can go to the school website. Scroll all the way down. Under quick links, you will find school's PLP. Click that. And then you will log in using your student email address and whatever your student email password is. Just make sure that it is your student email address that you're logging into. We hope that these steps will solve some of the issues that you all are having. Thanks.